Hi, I'm Eric Rapson, General Manager of D&S Automotive. Prior to coming to D&S, I worked for Painter Supply and Equipment as the Business Development Manager. I was in charge of Ohio, PA, and West Virginia. I worked with shops to go over KPIs and performance-related stuff to work with them on being more profitable and understanding where they were trying to go and help them achieve those goals. I remember at an early age going to the shop with my father and learning about cars and falling in love with them. And then as I grew up, my father became one of the 7 original members of ICI Auto Color when it came to the United States, and we moved from New York to Ohio. From there, I went to Kent State College and got my degree in business and administration, and I started working in the shops. I have approximately 20 years of industry experience working in the shops, from writing estimates to being a manager, before coming on board at Painter Supply to be the business development manager. D&S being a family-owned business, the customer is first priority here. We strive to make the customer not feel like a number, but part of the family. We always try to keep them informed through the entire process and do things the correct way here. CJ and I have been friends for a while now, and then working for Painter Supply and being CJ's business development manager, we've worked very close over the last 6-7 years. With doing so, we formed a relationship, and we kind of always talked about maybe someday that we would work together, and the opportunity presented itself, and I couldn't say no. Defender Auto Glass and D&S, the culture here is amazing. The people and our employees are wonderful. We strive to always achieve more education with all of our employees. We do in-house lunch and learns. We do give back to the community here a ton with Rainbow Babies and all the stuff that we're involved with, the car shows, the business after hours. Also our work-life balance here. CJ and his father have always strived to create that environment to where everybody has things to do at home. We come here, we work, put in a good day's work, and then at the same time have the freedom to go home and take care of things at the house.